Welcome to our channel. Managing read receipts in Telegram gives you control over your privacy and lets others know when you've seen their messages. Follow these steps to configure this feature. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your mobile device or desktop computer. Step 2. Tap on the three horizontal lines. Menu icon, hamburger menu, in the top left corner. Step 3. Select Settings from the menu to access your Telegram configuration options. Step 4. Navigate to Privacy and Security Settings to find Read Receipt options. Step 5. Scroll down to find Read Receipts or similar options related to message viewing status. Step 6. Toggle off Send Read Receipts if you don't want others to see when you've read their messages, though this means you won't see when others read your messages either. Step 7. Note that read receipts work differently in private chats versus group chats in Telegram. Step 8. Remember that disabling read receipts is a two-way street. If you turn it off for others, you also won't see read status for messages you send. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.